Guys, my hair is a mess. Okay, I get it. Let me think. I guess it's my turn. Maybe it's time to put that on your sideburn. He's thinking I'm bad. He probably right. He pressing me like button downs on a Friday. Hey guys, it's Mello. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Curl Recovery Project. If you see my hair, you would know exactly why it's named like that. Guys, my hair has been very dry, ridiculously dry. If you haven't seen episode 1, go ahead and watch episode 1 so you can be filled in with the deets and what got my hair like this. My hair is really dry and I'm trying to do whatever I can to fix it because I just really can't stand this anymore. It's not even the fact that my curls aren't curly like that, it's the fact that my hair is dry and it feels dry and it feels weird and I don't like it. I went to Karen today and I bought some new products because, like I said, all my products that I used to use are just not working for me anymore. We're trying new products after the hot water treatment. Today's contestants that we'll be reviewing: Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. I don't buy any shampoo because I have a Shea Moisture Hydrating Shampoo and a clarifying shampoo that I want to do, because I don't really want to change every single product because you really can't tell. But my goal is to moisturize my hair and to put in a lot of moisture. So I've tried the TGIN line. I've had their Honey Manuka, I think, hair mask, which I really loved, but I've never tried this before, so it's gonna be the first one. This is the leave-in conditioner that you put after dyeing your hair, right? I think so. Plus, I got 2 products in 2 different price ranges. This was like $6.99 and this one was $19.99. So yeah, you're gonna try it and rate it 1 through 10. But before we get to that, we have our hot oil treatment that we're gonna do. We're gonna be trying the tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, and the Vatika coconut enriched hair oil. We're gonna be mixing all these 3 in 1 cup or a bowl and then putting it in like hot water so the oil itself can get warm or like a little hot-ish without getting like messed up basically. And then putting it in this container and just wetting my hair and just putting it all over. Let's go ahead and mix these up and warm it up. Okay, I drenched my hair, I wet my hair. You're supposed to wet your hair so you can kind of like, you know, so it's already open and the hot oil can kind of seep in through. I'm not gonna lie, I did half of each oil, but I still feel like this is a little too, it's not enough, honestly. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna focus mainly on the scalp first and like massage it down so I can have enough. I'm gonna do it, I don't know in what parts I should do it. Should I do it in like, I'm gonna do it in big chunks, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna do it like in 3-ish chunks. So we're gonna focus on this part first. Oh my god, it's warm. Yeah. Yup. It came down this way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did not expect that. What the hell? Okay, let me just do it on it like this. Okay. What if like after all this, like all my hair needed was literally just like oil. All my hair was begging for was probably oil. I never even knew, and I never even knew. Okay, I feel like I put enough, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and then in the end I'm gonna go ahead and like go on top. Even right here, do you see like the breakage? Also, I used to take the Ollie gummy for your like hair, skin, and nails, but I was mainly taking it for my nails and it was working. Like my nails were like stronger than what they are right now. Like my nails grow like fast normally, but I feel like when I was taking the Ollie gummies, my nails were growing, but at the same time they were also like a lot more stronger, like they don't break easily. So my theory is because the Ollie gummies were working for my nails, it probably was also working for my hair. Do you know what I mean? I didn't pay attention because like that wasn't my goal, like that wasn't my intention at all. So I didn't really like pay attention or see any difference with my hair, but there might be a correlation. Guys, right here, first time I heard it, I was like, Kendrick, what are you doing? Kendrick, stop. Like, he sounds so good, I forgot he was 5'2", girl. Damn. Look at the other 5'2" that I don't care. I know you're 5'2", I don't care. The reason why I left the bottom was because like if I had enough left, then I was just gonna like drench the bottom for me. Maybe that's not a good idea, like rubbing it together. But I was gonna do this if I had like a lot left, because I wanted it to be a little more moisturized than just like, you know, the middle. But next time, obviously, I'm gonna be doing this again too. I don't even know the results yet, but I'm probably gonna be doing this like maybe once a month, or like I feel like every other wash day is a little crazy for just oil, because like I know oil helps you with moisture, but at the same time some people say like your hair and oil, like just oil doesn't help at all. But I beg to differ. I would hope that there's a difference. So, you know, I hope that there's a difference. So I might just do this like once a month, maybe, because I know like my hair, I hope my hair is going to end up like being moisturized, but then again, protein treatment also makes my hair really moisturized. So we're just going to see like which one was like the better go, I guess. And guys, I didn't know, I just found out about this actually. I was 10 years old when I learned about it, but there's something called is it tenative alopecia or something? But basically it's a type of like hair loss that's caused due to like stretching your hair, or like when you're just like tugging on your hair like a lot, or like when you have really tight braids, or like buns a lot. And I do high buns a lot because I love buns. I feel like buns fit my face more. And look at this. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, I'm losing hair, bro. Oh my god. I don't want to end up like the Abisha men that I've been joking about this whole time. So, with that being said, I'm going to be on it. So, you're probably not going to see me with like tight buns for a while. Throughout this whole process, honestly, throughout this whole like hair transformation or like hair whatever journey, I'm gonna try to leave my hair out as much as I can. And with that also, I'm gonna do a lot of braid outs and braid my hair and just like put a wig on or something like that, just to protect my hair. Like I'm gonna put my hair, oh my god, did I just, but yeah, to protect my hair, I'm just gonna put my hair in a lot of protective styles, like loose protective styles, like twists and everything, and then put a wig on top of it. The crime that I still want you, and I want you to want me too. I'm probably gonna do 3. I'm ODing it. Baby, so want me. I look like a lunch lady. And then I have my little scarf. I'm gonna leave this in for about like 4 hours max. My friend's coming over, so we're gonna have a little movie night too, so that's perfect. Next time I'm gonna get those little like blow dryers. You just like put it on your head and it just does the job. Because I feel like that would be more faster, and like my pores would obviously open then, so me. But wait, let me bring my other bonnet just to seal her up a little more. Okay, this is great. All right guys, I'm gonna see y'all in 4 hours, give or take. So it's definitely the next day. I fell asleep, like we were watching a movie, and then by the time we finished everything, it was like 11, and I was not about to wash my hair at 11. Kind of sick about it because I have been Like, I didn't go to the gym today because my hair is like this. But might as well. My plan today is to wash my hair and then let it dry like throughout the day and then go to the gym at night. It's probably like soaked in now. Oh. Yeah. Okay, see? Do you see the moisture? Oh my god. It's like soaked in. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off and then use the products that I told you guys. I'm not gonna record in the shower because I wash my hair with like really hot water. And I've tried to record in the shower before, guys. The fog, like I just can't. So until I find out a way to record in the shower without, you know, fucking up my camera, I really can't. So I'm just gonna go ahead, wash my hair, come back out, and I'm gonna update you. I left the conditioner in my hair because it said it's a replenishing moisturizing conditioner and I kind of wanted to keep it in. So, and my hair is like still drenched wet, so I feel like this is the perfect time to apply the leave-in. The conditioner was really lightweight. Was it moisturizing? I would say it was moisturizing, but not like to the extent that I thought it would. Actually, it was pretty moisturizing. Let me shut up. I hope this works. It's the only leave-in that I have right now. Consistency, oh, she's very thin. I like that. I like it. Damn, baby. Okay, but this is really, I love the consistency. This is so, like, it's watery. I do think there's something wrong with my curls, like, on a deeper level. Right now, we're focusing on moisture, so I'm praying that, like, it tightens up soon. But, like, I know there is something going on with my hair. Like, I feel like my hair, the curls just like are starting to just fall off out of nowhere. And like, don't play with me because I am the type to like, if I have to cut my hair, I literally will cut my hair. So like, I need to tighten up immediately. Oh my god, wait, for the first time, this side looks like moisturized and wet. Like it looked like it took in the product. Wait, it actually looks like it. Do you see the difference? I'm actually surprised. Wow. Okay. Curls though, we need to work on something. Right now, let me just thoroughly like put in the product and then try to brush it out maybe. It's just the bottom that's like reacting. The top is just not there. What could possibly be the cause of my curls acting this way? Like, I need answers. This is what my hair is looking like right now. Like I said, I'm happy about the moisture, but the curls is not giving, so I'm probably gonna braid my hair later on a little bit and then do a braid out. So I'll show you guys once my hair is like done, dry, and I've done something with it.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Nice, baby girl. I didn't braid my hair, obviously, as you can tell. I was gonna braid it, but then I was like, this is not fair and it's not showing my hair properly. That's why I didn't braid it. This is what my hair is looking like. Curls are like somewhat there a little bit, obviously not as defined, but I will say there's a difference with moisture. My hair feels moisturized. Okay, at least visibly my hair looks moisturized, so like that's different. Feeling wise, it still feels a bit dry. Like, let's be honest, because it's the first time I'm doing hot oil treatment. It's not gonna change my hair entirely as it is. Right here, it's a bit softer than it is right here at the top. And I feel like the top is where I really need to focus on, because I feel like the bottom is being like, my hair is being receptive at the bottom, but the top is the biggest issue. Obviously gonna use the products again and again because I really like the conditioner. I hope you guys can hear me. Wait. Is that a plane or is it the wind? Just in case there's an issue with the audio. But like I said, the bottom of my hair is pretty receptive. It's just the top that I have to work on. And then on top of that, I like the product. I really like the TGIN moisturizing mask. It's really light, but I feel like I think I might need something a little more thicker, like to add on to the lightweight moisturizing conditioner, basically. I like what my hair is looking like, honestly. Curls aren't defined, it's okay. I think I'm just gonna go for length right now. Like, I have no choice but to go for length, but she's okay. I will give, so for both products, I will give the conditioner about like 7 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It's not amazing, it's not the best, but it was all right. Like, it moisturized my hair. I don't know about detangling, I don't know about like defining my curls, but it moisturized it. So I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. The leave-in conditioner, I don't think it did anything but moisturize again, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Mind you, this is my first time trying it, so like this might change, this might, you know, might be different a little bit. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use both products for my next, like, for 2 more wash days. I'm gonna give them 2 more wash days to see like how they act, how they are, or whatever. And I'm gonna try to find like another curl cream, like, yeah, a curl cream or a mousse or something that I could add on top of both, just so I can kind of also focus on like the curl definition part on top of the moisture. But yeah, right now this is what she's looking like. She's not bad. Like, you can see my hair looks moisturized. Like, see, I never had issues. Wait, kind of looks good. I will say though, the left side of my hair looks good this time. And usually this doesn't happen, so I'm actually really surprised. So she's gonna stay in the rotation for a little more, for a little longer. But yeah, so far, I feel like my hair is pretty moisturized today, so I'll give this whole video about like 7.5 out of 10. I was looking for moisture, I got that, but I kind of lost sight of curl definition, and we're gonna tackle that in another video, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Mwah.